Tired of AI that feels artificial? Get ready for Google Gemini, the breakthrough AI that's changing the game. More than just an AI model, Gemini is your intelligent partner, ready to tackle complex tasks with speed and accuracy. Gemini is a true multimodal AI. That means it understands and processes information from various sources: text, images, audio, video, and even code, all at once. Imagine this. You have a brilliant product idea but only a rough sketch. Simply show Gemini your drawing, describe what you envision, and bam! It can generate a detailed prototype based on your inputs. It can understand your vision and give life to it. But Gemini goes beyond just understanding data, it understands the world. Complex topics become crystal clear. Ask Gemini to explain anything, from quantum physics to the intricacies of Shakespeare, in a way anyone can understand. Need a coding assistant? Gemini's got your back. Gemini can help you write, debug, and optimize code in multiple programming languages, making you a more efficient and productive developer. It's like having a coding mentor on demand. Unleash your inner artist with Gemini's creative capabilities. Need inspiration for a new story, a captivating image, or a unique piece of music? Simply describe your vision to Gemini, and it will generate creative content tailored to your specifications. But Gemini isn't just for professionals. It's an incredibly useful tool for everyday life. Imagine this scenario. You receive a lengthy email that contains grammatical errors and isn't worded professionally. Simply ask Gemini to summarize it and make changes to improve the wording. It can help you compose clear and concise emails, summarize lengthy documents, or even plan your next vacation, making your life easier and more efficient. Gemini is available now on Google AI Studio and Vertex AI. Ready to experience the power of Gemini? Visit ai.google.com/Gemini to learn more and start exploring the endless possibilities. The future of AI is here, and it's called Gemini.